Here I have Nokia 2.1 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the power key. Let's unlock the screen. Then let's open the phone's dialer and let me show you how to check IMEI by using the secret code. So let's input the following code: *#06#, and as you can see the IMEI number just pops up. What's more, here you can check out two IMEI numbers because this model of smartphone is dual SIM card. Let me tab OK. You can also check out IMEI and also the serial number by using the settings. So let's open the settings, scroll down, let's choose system. Here you need to choose about phone, select status, and as you can see here you've got the serial number of your device, and here you can also choose IMEI information and read the IMEI info of your phone. What's also really interesting, here in Nokia 2.1 you can remove the back cover, and usually here under the back cover you've got the information about your IMEI number right here. So basically that's it. Now let me put back the back cover. And everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.